Education is not the learning of the facts, but the training of the mind to think, said Albert Einstein. So, any education that we undergo needs to ensure that it fosters our thinking capabilities. Are you looking for a professional option that will improve your thinking capabilities? The CMA of the US provides a perfect answer for you for that. What is the CMA of the US? The CMA of the US is a professional finance certification awarded by the Institute of Management Accountants of the US. The Institute of Management Accountants has been in existence for more than 100 years, and there are more than 70,000 active members as on date, employed as senior professionals across the globe. The CMA of the US is equivalent to the Cost and Management Accountant certification awarded in India. Until recently, there was an MOU and a reciprocal arrangement between these two institutes. The primary focus of the CMA of the US is on financial management and management accounting, two very important skill sets that are required across the globe. People with such skill sets in these two areas enjoy tremendous recognition and growth across the world. As far as the exam goes, CMA is a two-part exam which can be completed in a single sitting. The first paper is Financial Planning, Performance and Analytics, and the second paper is Strategic Financial Management. The exams are conducted online and are conducted for 6 months in a year with appropriate holiday windows. Exams are conducted in the months of January and February with a holiday window in the months of March and April. Again, the exams are conducted in the months of May and June with a holiday window in the months of July and August. September and October, you again have exams with holiday windows in November and December. So, exams are conducted for 6 months in a year online, which means it gives great flexibility to the student who is preparing for the exam. They can pick and choose the date on which they need to take up the exams and then complete the same. Qualified certified management accountants enjoy global recognition, including India, because the skill sets what you are looking at is very much important for a finance person to be successful again. You will find many qualified CMAs occupying top positions in the field of finance across the globe. This definitely gives them that cutting edge, which probably is not available in other professional certifications. Looking for transforming your life for the better and reach a senior position in a corporate level? Come and talk to us. We will help you in the transformation process. Together we can, and together we shall.